How about you show a little respect for the exam?
What do you mean?
I mean, quit using a damn skateboard. That's cheating.
How's that?
How? This is an endurance test. That's how.
Hey, how old are you?
12 years old.
Same as me. I think I'll run for a little while.
Whoa! Cool!
Hey, I've got an idea. Let's race to the finish, see who's faster.
Sure, okay. But the loser has to buy dinner.
Yeah, you're on.
Ready? Go! And if there's anything we can do to help you out, just... Why, you... You did it first! I was just getting revenge! I didn't do it on purpose!
You